Algorand value equivalent to $0.1814 a coin, which in every practical sense is very huge. The present exchange cost range, 0.1768 0.1832 in a by and large significant manner. The earlier day close, 0.1772, which is very huge. The change especially was plus 0.0042, plus 2.37%, which most certainly is genuinely huge. Opposite rate, USD to ALGO, which for the most part is genuinely critical. Algorand value expectation for, in the not-so-distant future and month, which essentially is very critical. Algorand cost expectation on Monday, May 8, cost $0.17, especially most extreme 0.18. All things considered, least 0.16 in a kind of enormous way. Algorand conjecture on Tuesday, May 9, cost $0.17, truly greatest 0.18, sort of least 0.16, or so they generally thought. Algorand cost expectation on Wednesday, May 10, cost $0.17, especially greatest 0.18, really least 0.16 in an especially huge way. Algorand gauge on Thursday, May 11, cost $0.17, for the most part greatest 0.18, by and large least 0.16. In multi-week Algorand cost forecast on Friday, May 12, cost $0.17, really most extreme 0.18, essentially least 0.16. Algorand gauge on Monday, May 15, cost $0.17, most extreme 0.18, beautiful least 0.16 in a sort of large manner. Algorand cost expectation on Tuesday, May 16, cost $0.17, beautiful most extreme 0.18. All things considered, least 0.16, which is very huge. Algorand gauge on Wednesday, May 17, cost $0.17, sort of most extreme 0.18, genuinely least 0.16 in an unobtrusive way. Algorand cost forecast on Thursday, May 18, cost $0.16, kind of most extreme 0.17, beautiful least 0.15, which basically is very critical. In about 14 days Algorand gauge on Friday, May 19, cost $0.16, really greatest 0.17, sort of least 0.15, which essentially is very huge. Algorand cost expectation on Monday, May 22, cost $0.16, truly most extreme 0.17, least 0.15, truly in opposition to prevalent thinking. Algorand estimate on Tuesday, May 23, cost $0.16, genuinely greatest 0.17, extremely least 0.15, genuinely in opposition to mainstream thinking. Algorand cost expectation on Wednesday, May 24, cost $0.16, in every practical sense, most extreme 0.17, genuinely least 0.15. Algorand conjecture on Thursday, May 25, cost $0.16, in every practical sense, greatest 0.17, lovely least 0.15 in an essentially significant way. In 3 weeks Algorand cost expectation on Friday, May 26, cost $0.15, most extreme 0.16, genuinely least 0.14 in an every practical sense, enormous way. Algorand figure on Monday, May 29, cost $0.13, essentially most extreme 0.14, least 0.12, which certainly is very critical. Algorand cost expectation on Tuesday, May 30, cost $0.13, especially greatest 0.14, least 0.12 in a fundamentally significant way. Algorand gauge on Wednesday, May 31, cost $0.12, by and large most extreme 0.13, lovely least 0.11, showing how Algorand figure on Wednesday, May 31, cost $0.12, for the most part greatest 0.13, certainly least 0.11 in an unobtrusive way. Algorand cost expectation on Thursday, June 1, cost $0.12, kind of greatest 0.13, especially least 0.11, exhibiting how the change in a real sense was plus 0.0042, plus 2.37% in a sort of huge way. In about a month Algorand gauge on Friday, June 2, cost $0.12, lovely most extreme 0.13, by and large least 0.11, sort of in opposition to prevalent thinking. Algorand cost forecast on Monday, June 5, cost $0.12, extremely greatest 0.13, for the most part least 0.11. Algorand estimate on Tuesday, June 6, cost $0.12, certainly greatest 0.13, genuinely least 0.11 in an all things considered, enormous way. USD to ALGO swapping scale really equivalent to 5.5127 coins per $1, truly as opposed to prevalent thinking. Today, S reach 5.4585 minus 5.6561 in an unpretentious way. The past day, S nearby 5.6433 in an especially significant way. Change for now 0.1306, 2.31% in an unpretentious way. USD to ALGO cost conjecture for in the not-so-distant future and month. Dollar to Algorand conjecture on Monday, May 8, cost 5.882 coins, greatest 6.250, extremely least 5.556, which in a real sense is very critical. USD to ALGO forecast on Tuesday, May 9, cost 5.882 coins, by and large most extreme 6.250, especially least 5.556 in a truly significant way. Dollar to Algorand estimate on Wednesday, May 10, cost 5.882 coins, really most extreme 6.250, lovely least 5.556 in a genuinely significant way. USD to ALGO forecast on Thursday, May 11, cost 5.882 coins, kind of most extreme 6.250, kind of least 5.556, or so they especially thought. In multi-week dollar to Algorand figure on Friday, May 12, cost 5.882 coins, genuinely greatest 6.250, essentially least 5.556, showing how Algorand cost expectation on Tuesday, May 16, cost $0.17, sort of most extreme 0.18. All things considered, least 0.16 in a kind of significant way. USD to ALGO expectation on Monday, May 15, cost 5.882 coins, by and large most extreme 6.250, certainly least 5.556, or so they in every way that really matters, thought. Dollar to Algorand conjecture on Tuesday, May 16, cost 5.882 coins, most extreme 6.250, lovely least 5.556, which certainly is very critical. USD to ALGO forecast on Wednesday, May 17, cost 5.882 coins, extremely greatest 6.250, kind of least 5.556, or so they really thought. Dollar to Algorand conjecture on Thursday, May 18, cost 6.250 coins, especially greatest 6.667, lovely least 5.882, showing that Algorand estimate on Tuesday, June 6, cost $0.12, truly most extreme 0.13 in every practical sense, least 0.11 in a huge way. In about 14 days USD to ALGO forecast on Friday, May 19, cost 6.250 coins, really most extreme 6.667, by and large least 5.882, which basically is very critical. Dollar to Algorand figure on Monday, May 22, cost 6.250 coins, extremely greatest 6.667, certainly least 5.882. USD to ALGO expectation on Tuesday, May 23, cost 6.250 coins, in every practical sense, greatest 6.667, least 5.8